The design team at Safari Limited have produced a number of prehistoric animal replicas over the years, broadening the scope of the Wild Safari Dinosaurs range to include other extinct creatures and not just dinosaurs. In 2014, a model of an ammonite was introduced, to the delight of teachers, fossil hunters and model collectors alike. Ammonites are an extinct group of cephalopods that belong to the extremely diverse mollusk phylum. Ammonite fossils, because of their abundance and variety, are very important to geologists and paleontologists. Along with two other types of mollusk, the bivalves and the gastropods, for example snails, ammonite fossils help scientists to date geological strata relative to other rock formations. Closely related to living cephalopods such as squid, the nautilus and cuttlefish, ammonites lived in chambered shells. In most species the shells were coiled round, and the animal lived in the last section of the outer wall of the coil, in what is referred to as the body chamber. The shells, made of aragonite, a form of calcium carbonate, are extremely numerous in the fossil record, although the soft parts, the ammonite's actual body tissues, are virtually unknown. It is believed that ammonites had 8 grasping arms and 2 much larger tentacles. These 2 tentacles had many suckers on the end, which helped these animals grab prey. It is likely that because of the variety and diversity of ammonite species, that these creatures occupied a number of niches in marine food webs. For example, large actively swimming species could have hunted fish, crustaceans or jellyfish. Others may have been scavengers. Many smaller species probably fed on plankton. The Safari Limited replica is beautifully painted, the coiled shell being a metallic bronze colour, the body chamber battleship grey, with the animal itself painted in subtle oranges and pinks. Note the large eye. Like modern cephalopods such as squid and cuttlefish, ammonites very probably had excellent eyesight. They were probably visual hunters, their large eyes giving them excellent peripheral vision to help them avoid predators as well. When viewed from the front, a good view of the muscular arms can be obtained. The 2 specialised tentacles are painted a lighter colour and can be seen projecting downwards. The ends of these 2 tentacles have been provided with a number of round suckers by the design team at Safari Limited. These represent the soft, fleshy pads called the dactylus, the apparatus with which the ammonite could grasp and secure prey. This model shows lots of amazing detail. Projecting out from underneath is the hypernome, a narrow muscular tube that squirted water, providing the ammonite with a form of jet propulsion. The shell has very prominent ribs, which are raised in the last whorl of the shell to form 2 rows of parallel spines. Such ornamentation would have helped to protect the ammonite from attack, perhaps deterring a marine reptile such as a mosasaur from taking a bite. Whilst these spines would have helped defence, they do not assist this particular ammonite streamlining. It may be difficult to identify the precise species that the sculptors at Safari Limited have based their model on, but due to the shape of the shell, those large ribs and projecting points, the model probably represents quite a slow swimming species. The model measures a fraction under 11 centimetres in length, and the shell itself has a diameter of 6.5 centimetres. It is not possible to put a scale on this figure. Most ammonite species were small, with shells only a few centimetres across, although the fossil record has preserved the remains of some giant forms, with shells in excess of 2 metres in diameter. It is great to see a replica of an ammonite added to the Wild Safari Dinos model range. It is ideal for use in schools as an inexpensive teaching aid when exploring fossils, and in addition it can be added to display cases of ammonite fossil material to give viewers an appreciation of what the animal actually may have looked like. This is an exciting addition to the Wild Safari Dinosaurs model range, made by Safari Limited, and it means that Everything Dinosaur now has an ammonite replica to supply to model collectors and fans of prehistoric animals. We even supply a fact sheet all about ammonites, and this will be sent out with model sales. The ammonite and a huge range of Safari Limited replicas are available from Everything Dinosaur, the UK-based retailer of dinosaur models, toys and games that is staffed by parents, teachers and real dinosaur experts. Visit www.everythingdinosaur.com for all your dinosaur and prehistoric animal product needs. For further information on strange marine creatures from the past, features on other prehistoric animals, and news about ammonite fossil discoveries, log on to Everything Dinosaur's huge weblog. http://blog.everythingdinosaur.co.uk. The Everything Dinosaur weblog is full of well-written articles providing information on the latest discoveries in the world of paleontology, new fossil finds, updates on prehistoric animal models, just about everything and anything to do with the amazing creatures that once lived on our planet. Don't forget to check out Everything Dinosaur's Facebook page for further information on Safari Limited models and prehistoric animal replicas. Thank you!